So Jesus in that passage, Matthew 6, he's contrasting, right, public prayer that is done for recognition and private prayer that is done as a result of a relationship. So whenever you pray, there are two rooms, there are two categories that you can belong in. You can either belong in the category of those who pray for recognition so that they can be recognized, or you can be in the category of those who pray privately as a result of their relationship with the Lord. So you choose. Amen. So the secret place is not for applause. The secret place is not for validation. It's not your concern. So the secret place, people who dwell in the secret place, they do not pray, they do not communicate with the Lord so that they can be validated. The secret place is also not for